Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Do I build a company or license it away? That's the question inventors ask every single day.
Do I raise the money, build a team and grow? Or find the right partner and let the product go?
Building can be powerful, but it comes with risk. Customers' inventory, a long to-do list.
Licensing is different, you focus on the rights. Build a strong portfolio, then negotiate from strength. License it instead.
Let the patent do the work.
Protect the value of your idea.
Protect what you deserve.
Build the rights, take control. Go big, go bold. The best deals usually happen when you can prove demand.
Show that people want it.
Show that sales can stand.
Yeah, whether you build it first or license from the start,
The stronger your portfolio,
the stronger your bargaining part.
patent pending opens doors. Granted patents open more. The bigger the protection, the stronger the reward. One patent can help, but a family works best.
Multiple filings around the invention.
Give your leverage extra strength.
And when the contract comes,
Don't leave money on the table.
set performance requirements.
Make sure the deal is stable.
If they stop promoting,
You should have a way out.
that's what good licensing.
It's really all about license it instead.
Let the patent do the work.
Protect the value of your idea.
Protect what you deserve.
Build the rights, take control, go big.